still got my hustle, still grinding, nigga, I'm still shining. Other niggas dogged up, fell off, got washed up. I managed to maintain, was able to rise above. Nigga told me ain't no love in this shit, only love will make you rich. Loyalty don't have a price when niggas gunning for your life. Ain't thinking straight throughout the day, you up all hours of the night. You can't move without that burner, but you gotta move that right. And we all know, bad combo when I'm flashing lights behind you. A simple traffic stop could turn into a roadblock. All your mans lead them on to you cause he was hot. Either way you go from condos to a cell block. They say this a cold world, well nigga I heard hell's hot. I never felt them bullets burn, but I know that the shell's hot. And indictments I had your head spinning. So when I get my first million, watch how fast I'ma spend it. I'ma spend that meal soon as I get it.